In this video, I'm going to show you how to use black only ink in your Canon Maxify GX series printer. First step is to go to the printer control panel and click on the setting icon. Click on the device setting, scroll down, other printer setting, scroll down, select the option force ink tank selection and press OK. Here you can see the option all ink tanks, so we are already using that. But if you just want to use the black only, you can select it. This will help you to save the color ink and you can just use the black ink. In case you are running out of the color ink, even then you can use this option. So this will help you to use a black only ink tank. Now we can go back to the main screen. Once you refill the ink tanks, again go to the force ink tank selection, press OK and click on the all ink tanks. Go back to the main screen. Thanks for watching.